Hi, I'm Laura.
Hi, I'm Greta. Today we're at RSA House.
And we're in conversation with Eve, talking about venue sustainability at RSA House, how the RSA commits to a brighter future, and how we can help you make your event more green.
So let me tell you about RSA House. RSA House was originally made of 5 Georgian townhouses, and it was a home for RSA since 1774. The venue has 11 private hire spaces, accommodating maximum of 180 people for conferences and up to 220 people for receptions. So we do host a variety of events at RSA House, anything from product launches, conferences, meetings, screenings, filming, and weddings. As you may know, hybrid events became a big part of our industry within the past few years, and the venue invested a huge amount of money to ensure that we have facilities to accommodate hybrid events. All our 7 smaller spaces were refurbished during the pandemic to ensure we are greener. It included features such as recycled carpets from fishing nets, upcycled credenzers, and installed LED lighting in meeting spaces. The flexibility and diversity of the venue and the catering offer by CH&Co was recently recognized at 2021 London Venue Awards as the most versatile venue in London.
So what is the RSA, and why should you consider hosting your next event at RSA House? The RSA is a social change organisation with a diverse global community of over 30,000 proactive problem solvers, delivering solutions for lasting change. By hosting an event at RSA, you're contributing to a better society. So all the profits generated from your event will go back into the charity to fund the cutting-edge research that the RSA undertakes, and the practical tools and frameworks that the RSA develop relating to the future of work, regenerative practices, and lifelong learning and fair education. Not only this, but by hosting your event at RSA House, you'll have access to a range of facilities and services, can be safe in the knowledge that you're contributing towards your organisation's environmental, social and governance efforts. It is increasingly important for the RSA to work with suppliers that share our clients' values, who are equally driven to contribute towards a brighter future for people and for planet. By hosting an event with us, you'll feel confident that this is central to everything that the RSA does as an organisation. It's been part of the RSA's heritage for the last 260 years, and it remains the RSA's primary focus. Now over to my colleague Rupert.
Hi, I'm Rupert Outram, and I'm the General Manager here at RSA House. You guessed it. Today, I've been asked to talk about our environmental commitments. First and foremost, the RSA's commitment as an organisation is to be carbon neutral by 2025, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that. Recently, we gained a Green Mark accreditation, which is an internationally recognised environmental certification, which confirms that we're conducting our business to a recognised environmental standard. By going through that process, it did force our hand to move forwards faster with some of our longer-term strategies. We've put together a list of some of our key points that are already in place. So, firstly, we're now getting all of our waste collected by Greener than Green. This means that only 1% of our waste generated here goes to landfill. All of our food waste is converted to energy. All of our energy suppliers are 100% green, so a really good circular pattern there. Waste oil collected, turned into biodiesel. Food waste, of course, is a major focus for us. Our procurement team at CH&Co, who are the on-site catering partners here, have been working towards having the greenest supply chain possible for several years now. So grouping deliveries together, smaller vans where possible, sourcing locally, of course, are just some of the benefits. Another example of this is that here we resurface all of the kitchen chopping boards rather than throwing them away and buying replacements. This is just the beginning. Clearly, there's a lot more to do, and it's increasingly apparent that just being sustainable isn't enough. I just wanted to leave you with an image from one of RSA's impact programmes, Regenerative Futures, which sums this up really well.
When it comes to the RSA's social and governance commitments, the RSA showcases a wide range of changemakers' ideas globally via the RSA's free public events programme. Another commitment is the RSA Student Design Awards, which supports upcoming and emerging design talent. Finally, the RSA has a Catalyst grant scheme which awards £100,000 annually to support the RSA Fellow-led social innovation projects. Thanks so much for joining today's In Conversation with Eve. It's been great to show you around some of our spaces and talk to you a bit more about the RSA and how we commit to a greener future. If you'd like to host your event here at RSA House and talk to us a bit more about sustainability, please just ask Eve, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.